Alright, what's up guys? This is Jeffrey, and real quick I'm going to do a daily market review. So if you're in the Telegram group, last night I messaged about Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CAD, what the scenarios were that I was looking for. And if you've watched the weekly outlook video, then you've seen that I was waiting for dollar index to basically, break below here to indicate a break in market structure to prove to us that it's going to go take out the range low, or if it was going to come back above this 50% line and start to trade higher. But we didn't get that. We immediately from Sunday's open started trading lower. So I do believe with dollar index we will continue lower. If we do start to find some support right here at this down candle, then we may have to switch our bias to bullish and then ultimately look for the range high to be taken out. But at the moment, we're still bearish, and I believe we're going to take out this range low at 88.50. Alright, so let's move over to the pairs real quick. Alright, so euro dollar, I mentioned in the weekly outlook video that this down candle, I wanted to get a break above it to indicate that it's going to go higher. We already know that we think it's going for here, which is 125. Alright, so that's our target. And what I'm going to be looking for now is during Asia or London session, I'm going to be looking for this to trade back down into this up candle. So let me actually just clear this up. So just to kind of illustrate what I'm looking for a move down during session time, so Asia, London, New York, retest this, and then ultimately go higher. Yeah, so that's the scenario that I'm going to be looking for euro dollar. If we break this down on an hourly time frame, basically since market open on Sunday here, it's already rallied 113 pips. So I'm going to expect some sort of retracement going into tomorrow. This gray box is the same daily support level that are marked out, and if you notice, it moving down here would also basically take out this little consolidation right here and trade into this level here, which is an ICT breaker, which also confluences right here with this ICT bullish order block. So if we mark out that whole thing, this white area is ideally the area that I'd like to see hold. If it breaks below this, then more than likely we're going to look to take that out. So euro dollar, I'm going to be looking for that retest for a possible long entry during session times. GBP USD, so similar scenario. I was waiting for this up candle to break to prove that we're going to want to go higher to ultimately take out 42.60. And then this high here, which comes in at 43.44. Alright, so same scenario. I'm going to be looking for a retest of this level during session times. On a lower time frame, I want to see it confirming to me. So we've broken out of it now. So if we can come back, deeper in here, get a little retracement, start pushing up, make a high, make a higher low, make a higher high. So this would indicate the bullish price action on a lower time frame, maybe like a 15-minute. And this, box, somewhere's in the box, we'd be looking for this. And if we get that, then we're going to be targeting that 142.60, then 143.44. Those are our targets for GBP. And USD CAD. Alright, so last night, if you're in the Telegram, then I posted a picture of this chart. As price was here. So it traded up into a level of resistance. It made a high, made a low, made a lower high, right? And then here, we made a higher low, and then we traded higher. This is why I always wait for confirmation. So I was waiting for this level to break to confirm that it wants to go down. And if you notice, if just say we would have gotten in the trade here just based off of it hitting the resistance level, we would have had to sit in 27 pips of drawdown basically all night, because it just consolidated all night, or not really all night, but for a few hours, and then it started to drop, but it's been dropping slowly. So this pair is doing everything that I've expected so far, but I don't have any trades in it or anything like that because, like I mentioned, I don't really trade Sundays or Mondays. And then now, since it's so late in the day, it's not, during session time, so I'm not going to look to enter this trade until at earliest Asian session tonight. So everything still is going to plan as far as USD CAD. If you didn't see the targets, they are 128. Then I'm targeting this high at 127.56. Then this low, and then ultimately each swing low. So these are the 4 target levels that I'll be looking for. Keep in mind that 126, 140, and 124.47 are a bit longer term objectives, so more of a swing trade. But as far as like a day trade or intraday trade, short-term trades, these are good targets for you. 27.56 and 128. Alright, so I will tweet anything. I'll put it in the Telegram. If I see anything going forward during session times, but at the moment I'm just waiting for Asian session so I can see basically the price action that we get in these 3 pairs and if we can get a trade on. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you all in the Telegram group or the Facebook group.